Hi everyone, welcome to this informative video for budding biotech aspirants who wish to pursue their higher studies after graduation. This video comprises a short info of various competitive exams that could be tried by a budding biotech aspirants. The exams discussed in this video comprises a short information about their scope. I am Dr. M.A. Sundaramahalingam, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, VSB Engineering College, Karur. Before getting into this video, a student who attempts for any competitive examination should follow 4 C's, and they are cogitate, collect, cover, and compete. Cogitate. Before taking any competitive examination, you should deeply think and analyze about the examination. So that is cogitate. And the next step is to collect the materials as well as the syllabus regarding the examination. And the third step is to cover the syllabus. I'm sure you couldn't able to cover 100% of the syllabus, but you could able to cover the maximum syllabus. While covering the maximum syllabus, you should select the topic that which are repeatedly asked in the previous examinations. And the final step is now you are ready to compete with your peers. Whenever and wherever you attempt any competitive examination, you could feel this situation. The thing which is given in the orange circle is the syllabus or the course you have in your curriculum, and the thing which is reflected in the circle of purple color is the thing which you studied. But whenever you go for a competitive examination, the competitive examination questions are reflected or depicted as an green circle, which is not in relevant with the content which you have prepared. So in this situation, students are categorized into 4 different styles inside the exam hall. The first one is superactive. Whatever may be the situation, they will try to attempt and analyze the question paper, and they will attend all the questions given to them. The second one is frustrated. The students, as soon as see the questions which are not relevant to the things what they have studied, they will get frustrated and they might also fail in the examination. The third one is dreamer. They will be dreaming at some other zone. And the fourth one is sleeper cell. So I don't want to talk about all these 3 categories of people who are not focusing on the examination, but we everyone should focus on the first category. To fall in the first category, first thing you need to know what are all the syllabus that has been given in the examinations. Okay, so let's get into the topic. So there are various competitive examinations available for biotech students. Okay, so the first one is graduate aptitude test in engineering. You all know this GATE examination. And the next is CSAR UGC NET examination. The next one is RCB, that is Regional Center for Biotechnology. They conduct 2 examination. One is Gate B, the other one is BET examination. The next is CEEB examination conducted by Jawaharlal Nehru University for the PG admission in various GNU affiliated institutions. The next one is an ICMR JRF exam, CANSET exam, TIFR JGBLS examination, that is a joint graduate entrance examination for biology and interdisciplinary life science. The next is BITP examination, and finally ICAR examination for the PG students. Okay, we will just see everything in detail in the upcoming slides. Okay, so the first examination is GATE examination, that is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. GATE 2025 will be organized by IIT Roorkee. So once you qualify the GATE examination, you are eligible to do your master's degree, that is post-graduation degree, as well as you could able to apply for PhD, direct PhD in many institutes. And many industries also require a GATE qualification for their preliminary screening. This examination is conducted once in every year, and the application starts on September or October every year. The deadline of application will be 1 month from the start of the application. The exam will falls or commence on the second week of February every year. The next second examination is CSIR UGC NET, that is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, along with University Grants Commission, conducts a national eligibility test. This is conducted twice in a year, that is a June slot and a December slot. For the June slot, the application opens on the month of February, and for the December slot, the application opens on the month of August. The deadline will be 1 month from the start of application. Once you clear this CSIR UGC NET examination, you will be eligible to apply for a direct PhD in any institute, that is a centralized institutes, NITs, IITs, and also in CSIR laboratories to continue your doctoral degree. The initial fellowship amount will be 37,000 per month. The only difference between the GATE as well as CSIR UGC NET is GATE on the category of biotech, it will cover only the biotech syllabus. But when you go for a CSIR UGC NET examination, it will cover both a biotech syllabus as well as few other syllabus which are related to life science, mainly genetic engineering, bioinformatics, and others so on. The third examination is a Gate B examination organized or conducted by Regional Center for Biotechnology. So this is completely relevant to the biotech students since the syllabus comprises only the biotech syllabus. This is conducted every year, that is the application starts by the last week of February and the deadline of application is last week of March. Always a 1 month gap between the application and the deadline. The exam date will falls on the third week of April. RCB not only conducts Gate B exam, they also conduct BET examination, that is Biotechnology Eligibility Test. The other examination to continue your post-graduation is CEEB examination, that is Combined Biotechnology Entrance Examination, which is conducted by JNU, Jawaharlal Nehru Universities. So once you clear this exam, you could be able to join your post-graduation. That means you can pursue your post-graduation in any institutes affiliated to the JNU. So this is conducted once in every year. The application starts at the February month and the deadline of application is on March month. The exam will commence on the third week of May. And the fifth examination is ICMR JRF examination. That is Indian Council of Medical Research conducts a junior research fellowship examination for a biotech aspirants or life science aspirants. Okay, so any life science students can attend this exam and they could able to reach their goal of medical research through this examination. ICMR JRF is conducted once in every year. The application starts at March and ends in April. The exam will commence on second week of July. Not only ICMR, ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, will conduct a master degree program, that is for a PG. They will conduct it as AIEEA PG examination, that is All India Entrance Examination for admission in PG. So this is conducted once in every year. The application starts at first week of July and ends at the fourth week of August. The exam will commence on first week of September. If you want to continue your career in agriculture related field, you can choose this examination as your competitive examination to develop your career in agriculture field. The next exam is the TANSET examination. This is conducted by the Tamil Nadu government, that is under Anna University. Tamil Nadu Common Entrance Test, that is called TANSET. Once you could able to clear this examination with a nominal cutoff, you are eligible to apply for the normal counseling, through which you could able to get your PG admission in Anna University or Anna University affiliated colleges. So this is conducted once in every year. The application starts at fourth week of January every year and it ends at third week of February every year. The exam will commence at the fourth week of March every year. So consider this to be your least preference, since it is eligible only to the state universities and state university affiliated private colleges. And the next exam is BCIL BITP examination. Now this BITP, that is Bioinformatics Industrial Training Program, is now combined with the DBT BITP program of RCB, that is Regional Center for Biotechnology, organizes a third exam along with Gate B and BIT. This BITP exam is also organized by Regional Center for Biotechnology. So this is a training program examination where you could get an opportunity to go as a trainee in an biotech industries. So BITP is now considered as DBT BITP, that is Department of Biotechnology Biotech Industrial Training Program. So this is conducted every year, so you need to keep on updating about the start date, end date of examination only by regular updation on the website. The next examination is NCBS TARF JGBLS, that is National Center for Biological Science in Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, conducts a joint graduate entrance examination for biology and interdisciplinary life science students. So this is completely related to the life science. So anyone with a life science background can compete in this examination. The next exam is about, apart from other 8 examination, we have few PG entrance examination from other recognized universities. This is VIT MEE. This is conducted by VIT institution, and SRM GEET for the SRM institute, AIIMS for the M Biotech, that is AIMS will conduct a master course for a M Biotech after BTech Biotech. So BITS HD, this is for BITS Pilani. And apart from this, a BTech Biotech graduate can apply for a FSSAI examination, that is Food Administrative Examination, or Junior Assistant Engineer for a FSSAI. So Food Safety Officer role will be allocated for those who clear this FAE examination. Apart from this, you can also join CSIR post-graduation research program in engineering. So you need to keep updated about all these examination through several websites. So there are few government websites which are updating all these informations and the information related to the competitive exams for all biotech aspirants. So I'll be showing those website as well as the department which is providing all such informations. All budding biotech aspirants should keep watching the upcoming website which I am going to discuss in the next few minutes. So these website will help you in getting not only for your post graduations or a research, but also few job opportunities will also be posted. So these are the government websites which you need to constantly follow to keep updated about the career opportunities available for you after your graduations. The first one is Department of Biotechnology, Government of India website. The next is DST, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Third is MHRD, Government of India, Ministry of Human Resource Development. Next is DSIR, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India. You need to follow a TANSET website, sorry, TNSCST website, that is Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology. You need to follow AICT website, All India Council for Technical Education. You should also follow a CSIR website where you could able to get more research opportunities in CSIR laboratories. You should also follow UGC website, that is University Grants Commission website, where we will able to get few informations about the higher educations. You need to follow DRDO website, Defense R&D Organization. There are also other portals you should follow apart from the previous mentioned website. So they are, first one is Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Ministry of Food Processing Industry, Government of India, Ministry of Water Resources, ICMR, Ministry of Earth Science, and you should also follow ICAR website, that is Indian Council of Agricultural Research. So by following all these websites together, you could able to grasp many career opportunities related to biotech, not only to biotech but also to various life sciences. So to keep updated about all the information which is given in the above mentioned or the previously mentioned websites, you can directly subscribe with your mail IDs to the three websites. One is Biotechnica, the second one is Intenshala, third one is NTA, that is National Testing Agencies, through which you could able to get the informations of not only about the examination but also some career opportunities related to the biotech aspirants. So finally, I just want you to give you some small motive that if you are trying for any competitive examination, have this in mind. You are just a discuss throw player. So what will happen in discus throw is you will just rotate and you will throw it out and you will reach the maximum distance. Like same way, if you fail, try, fail, and you could come out with a maximum power where you could able to achieve your success. Okay, so whenever you start preparing for examination, don't uh, lose your scope with a fail in the first attempt. Try it for 2 or 3 attempts, you will get a best result in the final stage. So that's it. Thank you one and all, and I hope this is very informative, and I'll come back with another informative video. Thank you.